Hi planners, it's Greta here. I'm going to walk you through our latest feature, which is product tagging inside of Reels. Now, you may not know this, but 60% of Instagram users actually shop on the platform, and 40% find new products that they love through product tagging. And so that's why we wanted to add this feature and help you pre-plan your product tagging so you can click auto post and set and forget it. Okay, let's jump into the tutorial. You're going to go ahead and go over to Reels up at the top here, and then you'll go to the reel where you want to add your product tags. Right here where you see your caption, you'll see a little shopping bag. Go ahead and select that icon. And then here you can add your different products from your catalog. Now you'll want to make sure your Instagram is set up as a business account with your shop store. But once you have all of that, you'll see your products here, and you can simply go through and select specific items that you have within the reel. So for example, here we have the Versace Eros bottle. Cool little fact, this was created by Christy, who is the founder of Plann. She's an incredible artist. She does these amazing sketches and illustrations, and so we're using her as an example. Then you'll go ahead and tag the product inside of the reel. You'll see it here. Go ahead and select Save Tags. Once you do that, you can then set it up for auto post. You can share to your grid or not. It's totally up to you. You can also add some hashtags. Make sure you prepare your caption. You can add an emoji and then schedule your reel. You're all set. It's that easy. We hope you enjoyed this new feature, and I'll see you next time.